Welcome to Zen and Stillness Short Stories for Quiet Minds. Today's Zen tale is called The Sound of a Single Leaf. It's a story about silence, surrender, and the wisdom of letting go. Let it unfold gently in your mind as you travel through the motion of your day. Ready? Let's begin. What is the sound of a single leaf falling? Not a tree, not a forest, just one. Have you ever listened closely enough to hear it? In a small village nestled between the mountains and the sea, there lived an old monk named Haru. His temple was modest, a wooden structure shaded by a single ancient tree. One day, a restless student from the city arrived, hungry for wisdom. "I've read all the books," the student said. "I've practiced the meditations. I've even fasted in the forest, but I still feel lost." Haru simply smiled and motioned for the student to sit under the tree. They sat in silence for hours. Eventually, the student grew impatient. "What am I supposed to learn from sitting here? There's nothing happening." The monk pointed up at the tree. "Listen, I don't hear anything." "Exactly," said Haru. "Now wait." A breeze passed. A single leaf detached from the highest branch and floated silently to the ground. The student watched it fall, slowly, peacefully, with no resistance. Haru spoke again. The tree didn't cling to the leaf. The leaf didn't fight the wind. And the ground received it without question. The student said nothing. In that quiet moment, something inside him let go. Years later, when people asked him about his awakening, he would only say, "It began with a leaf." Zen isn't in the noise. It's in the letting go. The sound of a single leaf is silence itself. Can you hear the sound of a leaf?